Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share a link with others. This is a simple way to store large files and share content with friends, clients, or teammates. On your Google Drive dashboard, click New in the upper left corner and select File Upload or Folder Upload if your video is inside a folder. Since we are uploading a single video, we just need to click File Upload, then browse for the file. We will locate the video we want to upload. Here, we have a sample video. As you can see, it is in MP4 format. We just need to click the file and then click Open. Now, we will wait for the upload to finish. As you can see, it is now uploading. Once it's done, you will see our sample video appear in the drive. Now, we need to create a shareable link. Right-click the video, select Share, and click Share again. From here, click on General Access and choose Anyone with the link so that anyone who receives the link can view the video. Now, just copy the link and click Done. To check that it works, paste the link into a browser and press Enter. Here is our video. We can play it to confirm everything looks good. As you can see, that is our video uploaded on Google Drive. That is how we upload a video to Google Drive and share the link in just a few simple steps. Now we can easily store and share videos whenever we need to.